Hello, everybody. For the ones that do not know me, my name is Tashmness. I am a midwife since 2017, a nurse since 2018, and a follower of Christ since 2013. I'm also a sister since 2007 and a daughter since, I wish 2000, but no, 1993. And for the ones that know me know that I am a little bit camera and social media shy. And that has not changed, but it's going to have to, because after this very intense weekend, I was going to say, but actually a couple of weeks of reorganizing and reflecting, and receiving loads of good but hard spiritual slaps in the face, I have decided to burn my plan B. And for the ones that were there past Saturday listening to Mendez, you know what I'm talking about. For the ones that were not there, it's okay, because I'm simply inviting you to stick with me, and to join me on this journey. And I guarantee that you'll understand very soon what that means. So for now, welcome, thank you, and you'll be seeing a lot more from me very soon.